Good afternoon, guys. We're here now at the beautiful parking. I'm going to position you first somewhere, a place where you will not fall or anything. Well, it's actually more quiet when it's like this week. Or you know, that's too dangerous. Now, yeah, this is what I usually call the tambay place of high school and college people. Let's see if we can put you here. Hopefully you will not fall. Wait. Alright guys, so good afternoon. This here is a Green Hills Shopping Center, Connecticut parking. Now, what you need to remember about girls when you see their legs, si Gladys kagabi. Yeah, they were bagging her, throwing her. There was this girl, she really bursted her shout, threw the girl, banged her face about several times. The guy just moved out, banged Gladys' body into a wall. After they banged her, they put her into a machine where they stretch her beautiful white arms that was on the skirt, diba? This Korean girl was already banging the woman's body, stabbing her arms, legs, diba? Pero grabe guys, looking at this girl. Imagine the pain of bringing, diba? Pagkabi niya, si Tasha. Kung siya dito sa meeting niya, naka-heels, skirt, exit, diba? Have you ever thought of going to a place that you really want to bring a girl, bang her, break her, pound her, diba? Si Tasha nga, they say, fight her, she will win all these fights. All the girls that you see around Manila, she fights them, diba? This Korean girl, was already positioned to destroy Tasha's body. When they saw her, the girls make sure that the girls were crying so hard. Si Tasha nga, kagabi, punta siya dito sa BGC, isang Koreano, babae. Tinulak siya, pinasak siya, pounded her face, pounded her body, lahat. The girl, was a slacker. Once you fight her, she will break your heart, bang your body, well, lahat. The only girl that doesn't want to die is Katrina. Katrina Spirit jumps in front of the fight. They try to bang her. Her legs grabe. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know what's happening. Pero guys, imagine you go here on a beautiful afternoon, tapos walang kotse, diba? Alam mo, ang sarap kayo dito magtambay, no? Pero the problem kasi right now, guys, dito sa may bandang bandang stairs, mga ganyan, may mga nagsisigaret dyan. Lakas! Shit! If ever nandun ulit, wag muna. Let's bring you to a place where we can talk, chill, whatever. Look at this, it's empty parking, easy to park. It's not even a Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, we're charging now the phone. Hopefully you won't die or anything. So yes, stand by.